Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Video Marketing Made Easy, powered by Kedisoft Studio. I'm your host, Kenneth Hoskell. And today we're going to be looking at how to use videos to sell faster. Using videos to sell faster has been a proven way to increase sales and revenue. Using videos to sell a product or services is an effective and proven way to increase sales and revenue. Studies have shown that people who watch a video about a product or services are more likely to buy that product or services. Additionally, videos can attract more customers by providing information that text and image cannot. When it comes to using videos to sell, the key element is creating a compelling and informative videos that engage viewers and encourage them to take action. So, today we're going to be sharing with you 5 practical things you can use to actually help your business scale and increase revenue while using videos. Number one way of using videos to sell faster is utilizing the power of storytelling. Storytelling is very important when you want to sell your product using videos. How do you do that? You do that first of all by creating the benefit of what your product or service will be for the customer. How do you do this? You do this by creating a compelling message that actually gives your audience or your customers an emotional engagement to your product or services, arousing their interest or seeing the benefit of what your product will be for them personally. By personalizing the benefit of what your product or service will be for them, you give the customers an ability or a chance to see how it benefits for your product or services. And videos can do this magnificently for you. Number two way of using videos to sell faster is showcasing your product or services. How do you do this? You do this first of all by actually creating a video of making your customer or your audience feel how it is to use your product in real time. Make a video of an illustration actually explaining the benefit, not just the benefit, how it emotionally connects your customer with the product or service you're selling. Demonstrating to your customer how your video works in real time gives your customer the ability to actually engage in it and gives them the personal benefit of what they stand to gain when they buy your product. When we personalize our personal benefit to something, it gives us the ability to actually see what we personally have to benefit. No one brings their money to buy a product they don't stand a chance to benefit anything from. So showcasing the benefits in a real-time form, showing how your product works to them. If I want to buy a skincare product that helps me to remove red spots in my skin, create a video that shows how red spots can be removed from a skin in an illustrative way. By doing this, it gives your customer or your audience an ability to see how this will benefit them when they buy your product. Another benefit of using videos to sell faster is showcasing customers' review. It is crucial and important to showcase what other customers who have bought from you benefit from that product or services to the prospective customers who might have interest in buying from you. It is easy to buy a product from word of mouth when it is coming from a friend or a close pal of mine than just seeing an advert on the road or on the street. No, it's easy. It's easy for me to buy a product when it's coming from someone I know very well, someone who has a close connection to me than just a random person who I don't know or just seeing a billboard or a social media advert. Using word of mouth or showcasing benefit of your product from past customers who have bought for you is one of the wonderful ways you can actually use videos to sell your product. Because when people are easily to buy a product when it's coming from someone they know. If I recommend, go and buy this product from so and so place, they're amazing. I'm telling you first-hand information because likely I bought from them, I've been using it, and it benefits me personally. So if I'm telling you to go and buy, I'm giving you what is called trust. I'm giving you what is called first-hand trust. So if I give you a first-hand trust to buy a product from a particular brand, I'm taking all the responsibility that comes with the fall because I actually bought from them and I'm actually enjoying the product or services. So when I'm recommending you to buy a particular product from a particular brand, it means that I personally am satisfied with the service they have given to me. That's why I can recommend you. So showcasing your customers' review is an essential and crucial way of using videos to sell faster. Another wonderful way of using videos to sell faster is including a strong call to action in every video you create. Don't just create videos that instruct your audience or your customer to take an action. For example, when you create a video about a product, why not just, instead of just creating a video about that product, why not just tell them, log into this website to learn more about this product, sign up on this form, call this number, include a call to action for them to take after they watch the video, because that's a crucial part and an important part of why creating a video to use to sell a product or a service. When you use videos that includes a call to action, you have a higher amount of engagement than just creating a regular video without any form of call to action. Finally, using videos to sell your product faster is important in knowing how to distribute that video after you are done recording that video or producing that video. The video will not go viral by itself. The video can only go viral when you put an effort in promoting that video. It is crucial and very important for you to promote a video after you have produced the video. Don't just produce a video or record a video and just keep it and wait or say the video will go viral by itself. It doesn't work that way. The only way a video can actually affect a customer or actually engage with the customer to produce conversion and revenue and sales is when you actually promote that video. So your customer can actually see the video and see the benefits of that video in personal relation to how this video benefit them. When you create videos, it is important for you to promote the video after you create it. Conclusively, videos are a great and powerful way to market and sell your products. Using all this I have said in this video to market and sell your product gives you a higher chances of increasing sales and revenue. When you follow all the instructions I have said in this video, it gives you the ability to sell your product faster and easier using videos. Following these strategies and methods I have listed in this video give you a higher chances to excel and grow in your business using videos. Thank you and see you in the next episode. But before then, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all social media platforms.